本日はお忙しい中、エンパス主催、生きがいオンラインセミナーにご参加いただき、誠にありがとうございます。
But we believe that there is a people who has a goodwill make own communities better. We collect those people and we would like people feel the oneness.
私たちの幸福の本質って何なのか、与えられた自分の人生で何を与えていくのか、誰のどんな喜びを作り出すために自分の命を使いたいのか。
Everybody told me that I was lucky, and I was lucky. It's a choice I make every day. Every morning I get up, I make the choice to experience purpose.
その中で皆さんに1枚自分自身の写真を選んでいただいて、青写真にしていきます。
I also would like to ask you to donate. We are a foundation.
2, 1, smile.